there guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel The Indian Jugaads, and today the topic is relays. This thing is a relay. This is a 12 volt relay. You can see its specs right here. It is rated for 7 amps, 250 volts and 12 amps, 120 volts. This is a 12 volt DC relay. You can make much more with this. First, let's take a look inside this. Let's get to the copy. So guys, there is the circuit diagram. Now as you can see, a relay consists of 5 points or 5 terminals. These 2 terminals are its low voltage terminals and these 3 are its high voltage terminals, or these 3 terminals are isolated from these 2 terminals. What is a relay? A relay is a switch which can turn on and off an appliance. You apply a low voltage, say 12 volt, to these 2 terminals. A relay switches on a higher voltage appliance by switching this terminal to this terminal. Now this is the connection of a relay. This is an AC source from where one terminal will be connected to this common pin of the relay, while the other terminal from the AC source will be connected to the load, and then from the load to this normally open terminal of the relay. Normally when there is no voltage between these 2 terminals of the relay, this common terminal is connected to the normally closed terminal of the relay. But when there is a voltage, you can see I have connected a 12 volt battery to it. Then this coil generates magnetic field, and this terminal, which is normally connected to this terminal, switches to this terminal like this. And this circuit closes and the load lights up. So now it's time for a practical demo. So guys, as you can see, I have connected this plug with the normally closed terminal of the relay and this holder to the normally open terminal of the relay, and this mains wire to this common terminal of the relay, and these are the low voltage wires. I will be using my 12 volt supply for the demo. Can you hear a clicking noise? This is the sound of the relay. It means the relay is switching. It's on, it's off. On, off. On, off. On, off. So now guys, as you can see, the loads are connected. This bulb is connected to the normally closed terminal of the relay, which is this one, and this bulb is connected to the normally open terminal of the relay. If you do not have enough knowledge about electricity, please do not try this yourself. As you can see, I have turned on the power supply or the mains. That's why this normally closed load is glowing. Let's now turn on this one. When I touch this wire, the relay will turn on this light. So let's switch it on. So now as you can see, the relay is in the normally open position. As I touch this wire, the relay switches this bulb on and this bulb off. And when I disconnect this wire, the relay switches back this on and that off. Relay can be the base of very interesting projects, so soon I will be making some interesting projects with this relay. Stay tuned for that and keep supporting me. And more interesting videos will be coming on my channel regularly. If you have gained some knowledge watching this video, or even if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a like, do share and subscribe my YouTube channel.